YouTube fam? Welcome back to our channel. Today I have something super exciting to share with you. I stumbled upon Rachel Pedersen's YouTube Shorts hack, and oh boy, it was like discovering a treasure trove of knowledge. But before we get into that, are you a new virtual assistant or freelancer looking to make your mark in this industry? Well, let me share a little secret with you. Finding someone you like who has achieved success in what you're trying to do and modeling their process can be a total game changer. And trust me, it's not just some boring old advice. It's the key to unlocking your full potential and propelling your career to new heights, all while having a blast. Here's the deal. I've got big dreams, big goals, and a burning passion to share valuable content with all VAs and freelancers, and eventually to make all my courses free for the new VA or freelancer to start their business from scratch with no experience right here on YouTube. But I believe that the true magic lies in the collective journey, the power of a supportive community, and the energy we create together. I want you to be a part of this journey. Yes, you. As you know, I have decided to focus on YouTube and grow this community. Whether you're a virtual assistant, a freelancer, or simply someone looking to learn and be inspired, I want us to come together and create something truly remarkable. We'll dive deep into the exciting world of virtual assistants, freelancing tips, and career growth strategies. I'll share my successes, my challenges, and the lessons I learned along the way. But it's not just about me. I want to hear your story, your experiences, and your insights. Together, we'll create a space of collaboration, growth, and unstoppable inspiration. Imagine the connections we'll make, the friendships we'll find, and the knowledge we'll exchange. Picture the virtual high fives and the incredible impact we'll have on each other's lives. This isn't just about building a YouTube channel. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals supporting each other and cheering each other on. So are you ready to jump in heart first and be a part of this incredible journey? If your answer is yes, then hit that subscribe button, join the notification squad, and let's make it happen. And let's go on this journey together. I can't wait to see you in the comments, sharing your thoughts, asking questions, and joining the conversation. And don't forget to go into the community and take the polls. This is another way that lets me know what you would like to learn to help you be successful on your journey. Together, we'll inspire, learn, and grow, creating a ripple effect of positivity and success that reaches far beyond the bounds of our screens. Remember, it's not just about my channel. It's about our channel, a space for us to connect, learn, and thrive. So join me, guys, and let's make this journey one for the books. So earlier, I was telling you about modeling Rachel Pedersen's YouTube Shorts hack. And I am sharing this with you because I want you to know the benefit of modeling someone you like that has had success in what you're trying to do. By modeling Rachel's process and following her footsteps, I gained over 1,000 views on my video in no time. And the best part, Rachel is someone I trust, and she has tangible evidence of proven success. She is someone who has already achieved the success that I'm trying to achieve. I saw her incredible journey on YouTube, her vibrant personality, and her undeniable track record of proven success. It was like a light bulb moment, and I knew she was the best person to model. So why is it crucial to find someone you trust and have evidence of their success? Well, let me break it down for you. When you choose a role model who resonates with you, someone you genuinely trust and admire, it creates a powerful connection. It's like finding a mentor and a friend wrapped into one amazing package. You feel motivated, inspired, and ready to take on the world. But it doesn't stop there. The evidence of proven success is the icing on the cake. When you have tangible proof that your role model strategies work, it boosts your confidence and fuels your determination. For me, Rachel's YouTube Shorts hack was the golden ticket. I saw her views skyrocket, her engagement soar, and her channel is thriving. I knew this was an opportunity I couldn't afford to miss. And let me tell you, modeling Rachel's process wasn't just effective, it was an absolute blast. I felt like a detective, diving into her videos, dissecting her strategies, and piecing together the puzzle of success. It was thrilling, it was fun, and most importantly, guys, it worked. So here's the bottom line. Finding someone you trust, someone who has achieved proven success, and modeling their process is a game changer. It's like having a superpowered mentor by your side, guiding you toward your goals. With Rachel as my role model, I gained over 1,000 views on my video. It was incredible, and I couldn't be more grateful. So, my fellow virtual assistants and freelancers, listen up. If you want to make your mark in this competitive landscape, find someone you trust and admire, someone who has the evidence of proven success, and model their process. It's a journey of inspiration, growth, and success. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and as always, stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into the world of virtual assistants, and I tell you about the services that are in demand, and we will help you land your first or next client. Until then, take care, keep pursuing your dreams, have a great day, bye-bye.